everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a look at the TRIDENT Blackout, AT Blackout, and this is a good look at it right here. It's got a number of obvious features on it we'll go over right now. We've got a giant clip point here, a flat grind on the blade. This is D2 machine steel, which has been cryogenically hardened. I'll talk about that later. It's got dual thumb studs and they rest right here. We got a nice pivot and then the ambidextrous locking mechanism. That's the the ATRX lock. And as you can see, it has like a glass NG, glass infused nylon handle, and it has some nice, very gripping texture on it. And the assist open is great, it just flies open. There's some jimping along the side of the handle and the back of the spine of the lower part of the blade, and it's for the ramp there. Comes in quite handy. I like it. It also has a built-in seatbelt cutter or rope cutter or line cutter. You put it in like this, and there it is right there. You would lock this blade down, and this would stay in place, and you'd be able to use it for that. Here's a place to put the reversible pocket clip. It's deep carry, as you can see. Here we have the pommel with a good lanyard hole, and it's jimped as well. It's really very comfortable in the hand, closed or opened. Powerful little lock there, let me tell you. And the overall length of the knife is 9.03 inches or 229 millimeters long. It weighs 5.15 ounces or 145 grams. The blade length is 3.7 inches or 94 millimeters. The closed length is 5.33 inches or 135 millimeters. And that, like I was saying, 5.5 ounces, it's not very bad at all. Well made, held together with your torque fasteners there. It's very solid. It has some black liners in it. And as you can see, they're not hollowed out. There's a little bit of a skeletonizing in them, but that's it. And you have this spine lock here that keeps the knife closed when it's, so you won't have any accidental deployments in your pocket. So once that's open, there you go. Then you just grab these two, which you could use with one hand to open it, or this finger just to take the pressure off, and then you can close the blade. But the SOG TRIDENT Blackout is a great addition. It's not gonna show up in the dark. It's a nice concealable in the dark anyway. I love the blade shape is really nice. And you can see it's by the Study and Observations Group. Studies and Observation Group, SOG. They make a lot of nice equipment. I've bought numerous knives from them, and this is no different. We're going to get right into checking out some of the capabilities of it. First, we'll check the sharpness of the blade on some paper here. Well, I never cut anything with except a little bit of wood and a couple of pieces of cord in this cord cutter here. I'll lock that down. And we'll just take a piece of this. This is your paracord. I don't think we're gonna, yeah, you don't have to do much. And here's a piece of thick leather here. Just gonna cut the corner off it. No problem. I don't know if you'd use it for that, but I'm sure it would cut through one of those nylon straps. In any case, open that up. You're good to go. This will just easily slice up this thick hide I have here. No problem at all. Let's clean that up. Everyday things such as cardboard. Oops, not a problem at all. Against the grain. Tape. Not a problem, of course. We knew that before we started. Now we'll get back to the cord here. Same blade and everything, and just a little piece of it. You can see how easily it makes to cut that up. We're not talking anything. Look at it. Like butter, like a hot knife through butter. And you get the pommel here. There you go. It's you know, it marks good. It's, you know, you could use it if you had to. Knocking something into place. And then we'll just move over here. Bring this in here and take a look at this. So bad, a really sharp and rugged knife. I would say for all purposes, very affordable, I think, and with these built-in features. One other thing here, I'll roll the film in later. I'm going to test it. Right here, there's also a little glass breaker, right there. So we're going to test that and roll that in. But if you haven't, if you haven't already, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Right here, there should be an icon to subscribe. If not, go back to the beginning and you'll find one that will. Please give it the thumbs up and like this video and subscribe. So I'm going to roll in the film, but you've been looking at the Studies and Observation Group, SOG, and this is the TRIDENT Blackout, AT Blackout. It's a beautiful knife. Look at the profile of it, the downswept clip point, the D2 cryogenically hardened steel. And the cryogenically hardened or cryogenic hardening is something that's probably been around for quite a while. Other companies that use a lot of D2 is Cold Steel does. And the Ontario Rat is another knife blade that is made out of this steel. And it's well-known steel. Many companies have made their knives out of it, and it's this cryogenic, dropping the temperatures up to minus 185 Celsius to cool the material. It apparently has a extreme effect that is lasting and makes the metal very long lasting. So that's what you're getting when you buy this particular knife. And you can see all the looks of it. Oops, sorry about that. There you have it. Got all this. Sits nice in the pocket here, nice and deep. I had to cut it short because of the line cutter, of course, but very comfortable in the hand, ergonomic, affordable, well made, made to last. Good steel. You gotta like it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Quick look at the Trident AT, and this is the one thing I haven't shown you yet, but or I showed it to you, but I haven't tested it. Right there you can see the glass breaker. I don't have appropriate glass, but we're trying this and we're going to see how it works. So far, nothing spectacular, eh? I know I'd probably just smash it with this. Trying to see how this works. Now it's not automobile glass, so it might have shattered by now. Go. It did break a hole right through it. Shattered. Automobile glass would probably shatter more, and you can see the perfect hole it cut there. So there you go. There you have it. All the features of the SOG Trident AT Blackout. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel right down here. Thank you for your time, and this is Doug from Darkwater North saying thanks for watching. See you in the next video.